expect a period of prefrontal gradient wind gusts of 40 to 45 miles per hour tonight. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. After the cold front passes through, gusty gradient winds are expected for Saturday. Wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour will be possible, and a few gusts of 50 miles per hour or greater will be possible, especially across the bluegrass region of central Kentucky. Additional strong to severe storms are possible next week. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 98, effective until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, or 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Clark, Crawford, Floyd, Harrison, Jackson, Jefferson, Jennings, Lawrence, Orange, Perry, Scott, and Washington. And the following counties in Kentucky: Breckinridge, Brewitt, Hardin, Jefferson, Meade, Nelson, Oldham, Spencer, and Trimble. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including phone outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.